Good morning. Happy Monday. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Welcome to Monday's edition of the Bubba Show. I hope you guys all enjoyed the opening weekend of NFL football. Some exciting games, and depending on which side you are, some real exciting, some not so exciting. But, you know, as we do on Mondays, we do look back at last week and then try to project forward into this week. And last week, you know, started out simple enough, basic, you know, pretty much still in congestion. And then as we talked about, it was a short week. We figured we were looking for some light volume, and sure enough, Draghi came out with the howitzer on Thursday, and the market went flying, up 250 points. You know, that's what we're looking for now. As I've been saying, if you follow the footprints and you follow the trend, the market itself is going higher. So we're not looking for spots to short or sell. We're looking for spots to get in and participate in this rally in the overall general markets. Now, that does not always take into consideration individual stocks, because individual stocks can be shorted in any type of market. You know, obviously each stock has its own chart for you to watch. So that's something that you want to make sure that you're paying attention to. When I'm speaking here, it's on the general markets. So Friday, we get the jobs number, brutal number. Again, not a good number. Of course, most people focus on the headline, which was 8.1 or 2 now, down from 8.3, I think, which is ridiculous because the number is not real. It's not a good number. However, the market was able to overcome and still rally again, and we are again pushing up against new highs. So you have to respect the tape, you have to respect the trend. So what do we have this week? Well, as we mentioned last week, this week we've got the one last piece of the puzzle, which is the FOMC meeting, which is a 2-day meeting, and where they're going to talk about, you know, they're not going to decide on rates because rates are already locked in where they are. They can't go below zero. So what they're talking about is what is they're going to do, and are they going to offer some more easing and some more information. So what we're going to say is that, you know, let's wait and see. We're starting to get a little bit of volume back. Last week was still kind of quiet, but it looks a little bit better. This should be more, and then finally here, I think we'll start to see a little bit more of that volume and volatility come back into the market. So this week you've got the FOMC, which is the key information, the key news part of the week. Let's watch for it. Let's see what goes on. Let's be ready to react to the markets. Let's not try to overshort early. Okay, let's look to participate with the overall trend. Remember, Bubba's Picks. Remember, for Monday, the Bubba Show. We'll talk to you on Tuesday. Have a great day.